Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm testing out a mascara from Tarte, and this is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and everyone raves about this on the Tarte website, also on Tarte's Instagram. This is one of the go-to mascaras that the people wear that actually do the videos, and I decided I was going to go ahead and check this out. Now I did purchase it quite a long time ago when it was on offer. I think I got it for £10. It does retail for £21 or $23, so it is a little bit expensive. However, this is all cruelty free and a lot of the products are vegan from Tarte, and this is also a vegan mascara, which is amazing. So if you are one of those people that likes vegan products, or if you do like cruelty free products, then this will be a great thing for you to go to. Now I do really like Tarte cosmetics. There are quite a few products I've tested out that I really do like. I have so much stuff to test out in a video as well from Tarte, so make sure that you stay tuned for that, because I do have a massive box full of stuff that I'm going to be testing out. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So this is a 4-in-1 mascara, so it's meant to do quite a few different things. It's meant to make your lashes super long, and even looking on the packaging here, it looks like my lashes are going to be very, very long. And I'm so excited to test this out because, like I said, I do really like Tarte makeup, and I have tested out the Man Eater mascara before on my channel, which I'll link somewhere in this video or down below just so you can check it out. But Man Eater mascara is one of my favourite mascaras I've ever tested. I usually use it in rotation with a couple of different products, but all of my mascaras have dried up, and I decided now would be the best time for me to actually try a new mascara. Now this looks so beautiful. I love the packaging of this. It just looks so expensive and so different from any other mascara that I've seen before. So you can see that you have the normal shape of the mascara, but then they add this extra packaging on there, which is just really, really nice. You also do get 7 millilitres or 0.24 fluid ounces, and it also can be open for 6 months. And on the website it has over 6,500 reviews, and it has an average of 4.5 stars, so you know it's going to be a really good product. And it says on the website, push up brow for your lashes. This 4-in-1 mascara volumizes, lengthens, curls and conditions lashes. And it says that it instantly lifts and curls, volumizes and lengthens to make eyes appear bigger. Ultra black pigment delivers darker defined lashes. Ultra rich formula conditions with each coat. 360-degree Magni Lash Wand for an instant lash lift. The shorter bristles add intense volume. The long bristles give instant curl. They also have a waterproof version, so if you do like this, then you can get one that is waterproof. And it also is vegan, 24-hour wear, 24-hour smudge proof, 24-hour flake free, clinically proven to volumize, lengthen and curl, delivers a 35% increase in lash curl, lashes appear 17% longer, safe for contact lens wearers, dermatologist tested. So just reading all of that on the website, it looks like it's going to be a really good mascara to test out. It looks like it's going to be great for your skin, for your lashes, for your eyes, and I love the fact that it's safe for contact lens wearers as well. And I have very sensitive eyes, so we'll see if it's good for the eyes, if it irritates them as well. And I'm going to go ahead, zoom in, and we're going to test this out and see how it goes. So we're all zoomed in so I can test out the mascara. So this is what my lashes look like naturally. I haven't done anything to them, I haven't curled them, I've just done a tight line on my waterline, but that is everything I've done to my lashes. They're completely clean, so we'll go ahead and see how this goes. What I usually do is 3 coats on one eye, then also do the lower lashes, and then we do a comparison to see what they look like against my natural lashes, to see if it does make much of a difference and if it does actually work and do exactly what it says. And this is what the brush looks like. So it actually looks like a standard mascara wand, you know, the usual ones that you used to get ages ago. So it doesn't really look much different. It does say that it has shorter and longer bristles, so if you turn it around you can see the difference between the long ones and the short ones. I know that usually the wands are the things that make the mascaras work better, but apparently the formula is really good. And yeah, we'll test this out, see how it goes. I'm just going to try it on this eye, and we're going to compare them and see what they look like. So one coat looks really nice. They don't look really thick, but they do look long and they do look curled. You can see a bit of a difference between both of my eyes. So this is with nothing on, this is with one coat on. So I did expect it to do a little bit more, but usually when you do the 2 and 3 coats of mascara, that's when it tends to show you that it is really good. So I'm going to go ahead, do the second coat. And And that's what 2 coats looks like. So it does look so much better now that I've done the second coat, but it is starting to look a little bit spidery on the side and looking a little bit clumpy. I'm not too sure if you can see, but it is looking really good. I am impressed with how it's doing. So that is with 2 coats. The thing that I do have to say about the formula is that it feels quite moussey, so it doesn't feel wet, it doesn't feel dry, it just feels like a mousse formula. So it reminds me of what the L'Oreal Air Volume wanted to be. That mascara is just so bad, but this one I actually really like it. I feel like it's doing pretty good, but I'm not sure if it's doing better than my Maybelline Lash Lift mascara. That one is my favourite mascara of all time, so I'm not too sure if it is as good as that one at the moment, but we'll go ahead, do the third and final coat and see what it looks like. And that's 3 coats of the mascara, and my eyelashes look super long. Now I do have to say that they are starting to clump quite a lot with 3 coats, so I would recommend only doing 2 coats because it just feels like it is clumping, but it might just be because I'm testing out a mascara for the first time and I'm not really too sure how to work it. Now I would suggest moving the brush around a little bit as you're doing different parts, like zigzagging or rolling the brush, because it does say that different parts of the bristles do different things to the eyelashes. So I just wish that it was more separating, because I feel like I will need to go in with another mascara just to separate these out, because they are looking pretty clumpy at the moment. But I do like it. I feel like it's made a massive difference to my eyelashes, so I'm going to go ahead, do the bottom lashes. We'll see how it goes and see if the brush is actually too big or if it actually works. Okay, so this mascara is fabulous on my lower lashes. Just look at how long my lower lashes look. That's crazy. They look so long, so black. I love this mascara for the lower lashes, and for the upper lashes I feel like they are really good. Like I said, they are just a little bit clumpy on here, so we'll just need to separate them. But again, I don't know if that's just because it's a first impression, so I don't really know how to use the mascara to its best ability. This is just me testing it out to see how it actually goes. But look at that length. That is amazing. I really like it. I feel like my eyelashes are looking super long and my eye looks massive compared to this one. Just see the difference between the two of them. So at the moment I'm happy with it, but I'm going to go ahead, do the other eye, then I'm going to come back and give you my final first impression and let you know how I feel like this mascara has done. So I've just finished off the rest of my mascara and this is what it looks like, and already I can sort of see how I feel about this mascara. So I do like it. I feel like it's done pretty good. It has length for my lashes, it has curled them, and it does look really good. However, I don't feel like it's as good as my 2 favourite mascaras that I have at the moment. So my 2 favourite ones are the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. This stuff is so good. And the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift mascara. This is amazing for a drugstore alternative. The only thing is, obviously Maybelline isn't cruelty free, but Tarte is. So I would recommend, if you want cruelty free, go for the Tarte one. If you're not too worried about cruelty free, then I would recommend going for the Maybelline one. The only thing that's different about these two that this one has is the fact that this doesn't smudge. So usually I would put on mascara underneath my lashes and then within about a minute it would just go all underneath my lower lashes and it would just not look very good. This mascara has not budged one bit at all. I've looked down, I have had this on for a few minutes now and it hasn't budged. It literally looks exactly the same as when I first applied it. This is also the best mascara that I've found for my lower lashes. My lower lashes look so long and so black, so pigmented. It looks so good. The only thing is, I feel like it is pretty clumpy, but because this is a first impression, I don't really know the best way of using the mascara. I don't know if you rotate it or if you do a zigzag motion, or I'm not really too sure the best way. So what I have had to do is go in with an old Man-Eater mascara wand and just sort of go through these eyelashes just to make them less clumpy, because after the second coat, when you go for the third coat, the lashes look really clumpy. So I would recommend, if you were to use this mascara, only do 2 coats at the most, because 3 coats will make it look extremely clumpy. So with the first coat, I did like it. Now it did lengthen my lashes a little bit, but it wasn't something crazy. It wasn't something that was amazing and making my lashes look so long. But with the second coat, that's when it really did its stuff. So with the second coat, I felt like my eyelashes were looking really long. They were looking pretty thick as well, and they weren't looking clumpy, but they were looking just so pretty. And then with the third coat, that's when everything just started looking clumpy. So I do like the way it looks, and I do feel like that my eyelashes do look really long. However, like I said, I do feel like that it is a little bit too clumpy, and I feel like I get a better look when I use these two mascaras, but this still is a really good mascara. So if you're one of those people that doesn't mind about clumps, or you know, if you know how to work with a wand like this, I would recommend getting it because it is really good. Or if you just want to have a lower lash mascara, then I do like this. I feel like that my lower lashes look amazing. At the moment, just with a first impression, I do like it, and so far it hasn't smudged. Now you can see that I did get a little bit messy with this mascara, so I do have a little bit of mascara on my upper lids, but to be honest, I usually get that with all my mascaras when I do a first impression anyway. I do like the wand isn't too big. Now with some wands they can look massive, and if you try to put them on the lower lashes then it just goes everywhere, but this, I do like the wand. I feel like that it is a good size, but like I said, this is a good mascara and I do like it. It's not my favourite, but I am going to continue to use this because I want to see if using it different ways can stop it from going as clumpy, or if I need to like a rolling motion, or if there's anything to make my lashes look so long, like super long. I'm going to be testing out a little bit more, seeing some other videos and other reviews from people, because I have seen that some people's eyelashes look incredible with this and they don't look clumpy. When I see that one person on Tarte's Instagram page, I can't remember her name, but she's the one with the dark hair, when she uses this mascara, her lashes look stunning, like absolutely amazing. It could be because she naturally has long lashes, but her eyelashes look stunning. So I want to have my eyelashes looking as good as that. So we'll, like I said, be looking at other reviews and seeing the best way to apply it, and I'll probably come back and do a review and let you guys know how it goes. But so far I do like it. At the moment I can't tell you if I would recommend it, but for the lower lashes I think this is the best mascara. It hasn't smudged at all, and usually, like I said, mascaras would smudge within probably about 30 seconds of me applying it, and I've had this on for quite a while now and it hasn't even moved. But I will do a full review on this just to let you guys know how it goes, or let you know if it is a new favourite of mine after testing it out for a little bit. So this is my first impression of the Tarte Cosmetics 4-in-1 Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. If you've tried out this mascara, and if you like it, if you don't, just comment down below to let me know. Also, I am going to be wearing this throughout the entire day, and I will put down below in the info section how it goes, let you know if it smudges, if it budges, if I like it any more than what I like it at the moment. So I will let you know in the info section so you can see how it goes throughout the rest of the day. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!